Oh my God.
It's horrible. If not, go on the driver's side. There should be
Yeah.
a rag.
Boy Rob just stepped in some nice, good old used oil. But yeah, you guys, day 3. It's nighttime after work. So we got the manual transmission, clutch, flywheel, all that stuff, all that good stuff on the H23 non-VTEC right now. Only thing that's pretty much left to do is to start mocking up the harness. As you see, we got one part draped over. That plastic part is not going to fit in the slot on that valve cover because this is a non-VTEC valve cover. Differences. He's over there making more mess. But yeah, we just lining up the harness, and we're about to start plugging stuff up. So tomorrow I can show up with I had took the PG, the intake manifold from this one home, and I don't have it with me. He needs it because his doesn't fit on this motor. VTEC is different from a non-VTEC, in case you're wondering, and that's headers, that's exhaust and intake side. So yeah, I gotta show up with the intake manifold. We're gonna put that on. He's gonna take my lower half and run his top half with his black track spacer, and we should be ready to drop in tomorrow. Once we drop in, we're gonna bolt up the axles and hopefully get them in slots, like actually in there, and see how it goes. Also, one more thing that we're like coming to like a little hiccup with is being that this motor is an OBD1 and it's non-VTEC, whatnot. This motor right here, it had, this is the OBD2, so it had a crank position sensor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this crank off and check behind this timing cover and see if they're on the oil pump, if it's has the 2 bolts for the crank position sensor. If it does, then we could use that OBD2 harness that we have right there and put on the OBD2 distributor, which we already did, and make this motor OBD2. Eventually, when time comes, he will get head studs and a new head gasket, and we're gonna slap this VTEC head on there, and he's gonna be VTEC once again. The deal with my parts has come. Tomorrow, my boy Rob, he's gonna give me, let me use his 14 millimeter 12-point socket so I can slap my head on my motor. And pretty much once that's done, I should be bringing it over here so I can slap my transmission on like we're doing here. Slap my transmission, clutch kit, all that good stuff. And my harness, people. I'm redoing my harness on the engine, and it looks amazing. Watch when I show you guys that. But yeah, we're almost there. Yee! Yo, Rob, say what's good, bro. And this is how we looking so far. Yee! Eat! Yeah, this is how we looking. So I still got this end to do, but this is how it's looking so far. Gotta do this end, these ends obviously. Gotta batch that up because I still got that to do. That. Gotta tape that up.
Oh, he looking good.